Whoa, guys, it's Gandini. I got something cool for you this week. It is a revolver from a company that doesn't usually make revolvers. That is Henry, the people that make long lever action guns, is now making revolvers. This one is the Golden Boy 22. It is a 10-shot 22 long rifle with a 4-inch heavy barrel. But this guy weighs a ton. This thing's holding out at about 36 ounces, which puts it in the upper echelon of weight classes for pistols, probably heavier than most of your 1911s. Definitely something cool to check out. If you ever get a chance, check out the Henry Golden Boy revolver in 22 long rifle.